After Bitcoin, which was created in 2011, Litecoin is one of the oldest and most primitive cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency, which was a fierce rival to Bitcoin, was consistently ranked among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Interestingly, Litecoin's creator announced the project on a prominent Bitcoin forum, describing it as a light version of Bitcoin. As a result, they have many of the same characteristics as the most common cryptocurrency. Do you want to be a holder of LTC? If you answered yes, are you pessimistic about potential prospects or market movements? Then you've come to the right spot because, by the end of this video, you'll be able to see the appropriate LTC future volume in your wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can get fresh content as soon as we upload. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Now let's get into it. In the Litecoin fundamental analysis, in 2011, Charlie Lee, a former Google employee, created Litecoin, a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency is built on the Bitcoin protocol, although there are several differences in the hashing algorithm used, the hard limit, block transaction times, and a few other variables. In the year 2011, Litecoin was released as an open-source client on GitHub. LTC is one of the most well-known and well-established cryptocurrencies in the world, having been around since 2011. Since it is more widely available than Bitcoin, it is referred to as the silver of the crypto world, whereas Bitcoin is referred to as the gold of the crypto world. What will the price of Litecoin be in 2021? Litecoin began in the year 2021 with a trading value of $132.32. The coin began to rise sharply on a bullish note. By the middle of February, the price had hit $200. And the uptrend had continued, with the price reaching yearly highs of $335. LTC's platform could be enhanced with such integrations and alliances, allowing it to reach new heights. The currency could slam into the pricey ATH of $375 and continue to rise, surpassing $500 by the end of 2021. So, what will the price of Litecoin be in 2022? Litecoin could debut in 2022 with a trading price of $365 to $450. If the bears kept the market for a longer time, LTC was expected to fall even further. The community's attention may shift to platform upgrades, and the currency's value may rise. At the end of 2022, Litecoin is forecast to reach a peak of $600. If the bears gain control of the market, the price could fall below $500 or even $450. Furthermore, looking at its price forecast for the next 5 years, Litecoin might be one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the next 5 years, and it could be widely accepted in digital payments. If crypto influencers have a positive outlook on the currency and its results, LTC could rise. The highest Litecoin price could be $800 by the end of 5 years. Taking a further look at predictions for the Litecoin market, from Trading Beast, LTC could trade about $290 by the end of 2021, according to Trading Beasts, with a steady price rise. By the end of 2024, the price is expected to be $489. Litecoin might also trade between $565 and $724 by the end of 2021, according to Long Forecast, until plummeting in 2022. Until the end of 2025, the price is expected to decrease and sustain a narrow trend. From Digital Coin Price, Litecoin may be worth $378.27 by the end of 2021. In addition, the price is expected to be around $466 in 2022 and $534.68 in 2023. However, by the end of 2025, the price could reach $777.34, a new record. And by Prime XBT, they forecast a price of $600 or more by the end of 2021, followed by a drop to $200 in 2022-23 after hitting $2,000 highs. However, the platform assumes that by 2024-25, the price could reach a high of around $10,000. Now, what are my Litecoin forecasts? Litecoin reached the year 2021 with a trade value of $132.32. Later, the price began to rise steadily with some variations. Several well-known institutions can consider investing in Litecoin and accepting LTC as a form of payment. With the bulls' acquaintances, the price could rise even higher. The highest Litecoin price is expected to be $550 or even more by the end of 2021. On the surface, Bitcoin and Litecoin seem to be very similar. They are both decentralized cryptocurrencies at their most basic stage. Unlike fiat currencies like the US dollar or the Japanese yen, which depend on central banks for value, circulation control, and legitimacy, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and rely solely on the network's cryptographic integrity for value, circulation control, and legitimacy. Litecoin was created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer who announced the Lite version of Bitcoin via a message on a popular Bitcoin forum. Litecoin has been seen as a response to Bitcoin since its inception. Indeed, Litecoin's creators have claimed for years that their goal is to build the silver to Bitcoin's gold. As a result, Litecoin adopts many of the features of Bitcoin that Lee and other developers thought were useful in the earlier cryptocurrency, while also changing certain elements that the development team thought could be enhanced. The fact that both Bitcoin and Litecoin are proof-of-work ecosystems is a significant similarity. That is to say, the process by which both cryptocurrencies are mined, that is, created, authenticated, and then added to a public ledger, or blockchain, is fundamentally the same, though not the same, as I will show you later. Storage and transactions are two other big similarities. Many of the essential elements of transacting with Bitcoin and Litecoin are also very similar for an investor. Any of these cryptocurrencies can be purchased on a cryptocurrency exchange or mined with a mining device. To be securely stored between transactions, both involve digital or cold storage wallet. Furthermore, the values of both cryptocurrencies were shown to be highly volatile over time, depending on a variety of factors such as investor interest and government regulations. Also, what is the distinction between Bitcoin and Litecoin? The market capitalization, or total dollar market value of all outstanding coins, is one region where Bitcoin and Litecoin vary significantly. The cumulative amount of all Bitcoins in existence is about $1 trillion as of March 2021, making Bitcoin's market cap more than 70 times that of Litecoin, which is worth $13.7 billion. If Bitcoin's market cap strikes you as strong or low depends primarily on a historical context. When we remember that the market capitalization of Bitcoin was just $42,000 in July 2010, the current figure seems incredible. Bitcoin also outnumbers all other digital currencies as a network. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, is its nearest rival, with a market cap of nearly $212 billion. Given that Bitcoin is so much larger than all other digital currencies in existence at this moment, the fact that Bitcoin has a substantially higher value than Litecoin is not surprising. Another significant distinction between Bitcoin and Litecoin is the total amount of coins that each cryptocurrency is capable of producing. This is where Litecoin sets itself apart. Bitcoin's network can never hold more than 21 million coins, while Litecoin can hold up to 84 million. While this appears to be a major benefit for Litecoin in principle, its real-world implications may be minor. This is because both Bitcoin and Litecoin can be divided into almost infinitesimal numbers. In reality, 100 millionths of a Bitcoin, 0.00000001 Bitcoins, also known as 1 Satoshi, is the minimum amount of transferable Bitcoin. Regardless of how high the general price of an undivided single Bitcoin or Litecoin rises, users of either currency should have no trouble buying low-cost products or services. Because of the lower price per unit, Litecoin may have a psychological advantage over Bitcoin due to the larger number of maximum coins. Richard Brown, an IBM executive, suggested in November 2013 that certain users would choose to transact in whole units rather than fractions of a unit, which could be a benefit for Litecoin. Even if this were right, the problem could be solved with a few simple software updates to the digital wallets used to conduct Bitcoin transactions. Famous Bitcoin wallets such as Coinbase and Trezor also offer the option to view the Bitcoin value in terms of official, or fiat, currencies such as the US dollar, as Tristan Winters points out in a Bitcoin magazine article titled, The Psychology of Decimals. This will help you overcome your aversion to working with fractions. Another significant distinction is transaction speed. While transactions on the Bitcoin and Litecoin networks are theoretically instantaneous, it takes time for those transactions to be validated by other network participants. Litecoin was created with the intention of prioritizing transaction speed, which has proven to be a benefit as the currency has increased in popularity. The average transaction confirmation period, the time it takes for a block to be validated and added to the blockchain, on the Bitcoin network is currently just under 9 minutes per transaction, according to data from blockchain.com, but this can differ greatly when traffic is heavy. For Litecoin, the equivalent time is around 2.5 minutes. This difference in confirmation time might, in theory, make Litecoin more appealing to merchants. A retailer selling a product in exchange for Bitcoin, for example, will have to wait nearly 4 times as long to receive a payment confirmation as if the same product was sold in exchange for Litecoin. Merchants, on the other hand, can often choose to approve transactions without waiting for some kind of confirmation. The security of zero confirmation transactions is a hot topic of discussion. In conclusion, Litecoin and Bitcoin are two different coins but quite similar in their own rights, and it is due to their similarities that I am saying it is a good investment. Because the increase in the price of Bitcoin most times leads to a little increase in Litecoin. And provided Bitcoin continues in its increase in price, I believe Litecoin will too. That would be all for today's video. If you're looking to learn more about finance and investing topics like this, stay tuned for our next videos. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. See you next time.